Hey there, legends. Let's talk about something unexpected: the surprising benefits of anxiety. Anxiety gets a bad reputation. It's that nagging feeling in your chest, the racing thoughts that won't stop. But what if I told you it's not always a bad thing? In fact, anxiety can actually be a powerful tool if you know how to use it. 1. Anxiety sharpens your awareness. Think about it. When you're anxious, you notice everything. Your brain is on high alert, picking up details you might normally overlook. This can actually protect you from danger and help you navigate social situations with more awareness and intuition. 2. Anxiety makes you a better problem solver. Have you ever overanalyzed a situation so much that you ended up solving a problem before it even happened? That's anxiety working in your favor. Your brain is wired to anticipate challenges and find solutions, sometimes before anyone else even realizes there's a problem. 3. Anxiety improves your performance. If you've ever felt that nervous energy before a big presentation, exam, or event, you know what I mean. A little bit of anxiety actually boosts focus, motivation, and even memory. It's why top performers, athletes, musicians, and public speakers often channel their anxiety into success. 4. Anxiety keeps you motivated. Let's be real. Sometimes anxiety is the only thing that gets us moving. That worry about a deadline, that fear of failure. It pushes you to take action, stay organized, and get things done. Without it, we might procrastinate endlessly. 5. Anxiety makes you more empathetic. If you struggle with anxiety, chances are you're deeply attuned to the emotions of others. You pick up on their stress, their worries, their subtle cues. This makes you more empathetic and helps you build stronger, more meaningful connections with people. 6. Anxiety can be a sign of intelligence. Studies have found that people with high levels of anxiety often have above average intelligence. Your ability to overanalyze, anticipate problems, and think critically might actually be a sign of a sharp and strategic mind. 7. Anxiety prepares you for the unexpected. Anxiety forces you to think ahead, whether it's planning for an emergency or making backup plans for a project. Your anxious mind is constantly working to keep you prepared. Final thoughts. Instead of fighting anxiety, try to see it as a tool. It can guide you, protect you, and even push you to become a better version of yourself. The key is not to let it control you, but to harness its power in a positive way. Next time you feel anxious, ask yourself, how can I use this feeling to my advantage? And don't forget, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so I can keep bringing you more insightful content to help you improve your life. Hugs.